Hi everybody, this is Doug Buenz with the 680 Homes Group at Venture Sotheby's International Realty and 680homes.com. This is the market minute for March for San Ramon, California. So how's the market in San Ramon? Well, we've seen a strong rebound. As everyone knows, it was a bit softer last year, second half of last year, but we're seeing signs in the spring here that the market is rebounding nicely. We're seeing a little more inventory, but we're seeing plenty of activity, in fact, very strong activity. So overall, all signs are positive in the San Ramon market at this point, and especially interest rates, which are lower now, seems to be helping boost the activity level. So let's take a look specifically at some of the stats. Inventory's up, 57 homes for sale at the end of February versus 42 in January versus 47 a year ago. So inventory's up a little higher, but pending sales are also up. 55 pending sales in February versus 30 in January. So we're seeing an uptick in inventory and an uptick in demand in the way of pending sales. So far so good. Pending sales last February, by the way, in February 2018, were 60. So we're approaching that same level. Closed sales are down slightly, 26 closed single family homes in February versus 31 in January versus 26 a year ago. So all in all, a pretty strong market. The average days on market is down for closed sales, 30 days versus 36 in January. If you go back a year ago, it was 18. So a little stronger a year ago, but not by a mile. Median sales price is up, $1.18 million for the closed sales in February of this year versus $1,150,000 for January. And it's down slightly from last year, where in February the closed sales, median sales price for closed sales was $1,200,000. So down a little bit, but really approaching that mark. Absorption rate. So we're seeing more inventory being absorbed. 96.5% of the inventory in February was absorbed in terms of pending sales. So that's a very strong number. That compares to 71.4% in January. So we're seeing a little more absorption. If you go back a year ago to February 2018, it was 127.7%. So that's an extremely hot market. We're not quite at that level, but we are showing a nice rebound. New listings versus pending sales. It's good to keep an eye on how much new inventory is hitting the market versus how much is being absorbed. There were 67 new listings in February compared to 55 pending sales. So inventory outstripping pendings a little bit. We'll see what happens as we get further into the spring. In terms of percent of sales price to list price, in February, the homes that closed sold on average at 101% of the list price. And that's up from 97% in January this year. And it was 102% in February last year. So we're getting up into that strong market category. So all in all, market's strong. More choices coming on the market. Great time to be a buyer. So we are anticipating it'll be a good spring. As always, thanks for watching. If we can help you or anyone you know with their real estate needs, please give us a call at 925-621-0680 or visit us at 680homes.com.